Tongchang, located on Lado Island, is a modern yet relaxed hub close to Hong Kong International Airport and top attractions like Nadong in 360, Big Buddha, and City Gate Outlet. Tongchang Hotel range from luxury international brands to practical airport stays, ensuring comfort and convenience for every kind of traveler. Here are the top 10 best hotels in Tongchang for a memorable stay. The first one is Sheraton Hong Kong Tongchang Hotel. Sheraton Tongchang is a premium option offering stylish rooms with sweeping sea and mountain views. The interiors are elegant with modern decor, flush bedding, and spacious bathrooms. Guests can enjoy multiple dining options, including fine Chinese cuisine and international visits. The hotel has a large outdoor pool, fitness center, and kid-friendly facilities. Located close to both the airport and city gate outlets, it is perfect for families, business travelers, and leisure seekers. Service is attended by police, ensuring a relaxed experience. The second one is Novotel City Gate, Hong Kong. This hotel is directly connected to City Gate outlets, making it ideal for shopaholics. Rooms are contemporary, featuring comfortable beds, big windows, and modern amenities. The outdoor pool, gym, and multiple dining options add to its appeal. Its location near the Tongchang MRT station offers easy access to Nakong Ping 360 and Disneyland. Shuttle service to the airport are efficient and reliable. The third one is the Silvery Hong Kong. A British luxury hotel, is Silvery and Gallery by Sofitel offer elegant, natural-inspired interiors. Rooms are thoughtfully designed, some featuring private terraces with large pools. The outdoor swimming pool overlooks lush greenery, creating a peaceful retreat. Dining options are refined and with international cuisine served in stylish settings. The fourth one is Regala Sky City Hotel. Located in Sky City near Asia World Expo, Regala Sky City offers modern rooms with stylish decor and comfortable layouts. Guests can enjoy three-themed restaurants, a rooftop garden, and family-friendly amenities. Shuttle buses connect the hotel with the airport and Pyeongchang town. The atmosphere is youthful and lively, making it suitable for both leisure and event travelers. The fifth one is 4 Points by Sheraton Hong Kong Tongchang. This hotel delivers a blend of comfort and practicality with sleek rooms and warm service. Its dining options include international buffet and casual cafe, while fitness facilities keep travelers refreshed. The location is convenient, being close to the airport, city gate outlets, and local transport. The next one is Hong Kong Sky City Marriott Hotel. One of the closest hotels into the airport, Sky City Marriott is known for spacious rooms and excellent service. Guests enjoy harbor view, indoor pool, a spa, and multiple dining outlets, including award-winning Chinese cuisine. It's directly connected to Asia World Expo and offers free shuttle to Pyeongchang. Business travelers appreciate the meeting rooms while their guests love the comfort and convenience. The next one is Seaview Holiday Resort. Located just a short ride from Pyeongchang, this resort offers a different experience, beachfront relaxation. Rooms are simple but clean, some with sea views. Guests enjoy direct beach access, outdoor dining, and a lower pace compared to the city hotels. Affordable and scenic, it is a refreshing alternative. The next one is Obed Holiday Bay, Hong Kong. More technically in Discovery Bay, Obed is a short ride from Pyeongchang and perfect for travelers seeking a resort atmosphere. Rooms are spacious with sea or mountain views, and the hotel includes a pool, spa, and multiple restaurants. Its quiet, coastal setting makes it ideal for weddings, romantic stays, or family vacations. Shuttle buses connect to Pyeongchang for easy sightseeing. It is relaxing retreat with resort-style hospitality. The second last is City Oasis Guest House. For budget travelers, City Oasis Guest House offers clean and comfortable accommodation near Pyeongchang. Rooms are small but well kept and the atmosphere is warm and friendly. We also provide helpful travel tips, especially for exploring planetary attractions. It's a homestay that gives you a more personal experience than big hotels. Perfect for backpackers, hikers, or short-term visitors who want portability without compromising cleanliness. The last one is Transit Resting Lounge, ideal for short layovers. The resting lounge at Hong Kong International Airport are convenient and practical. They offer clean rooms, showers, and simple amenities for travelers in transit. While not a traditional hotel, they provide much needed comfort and rest between flights. For those who limit time, this is the best way to recharge without leaving the airport. Bangchong is one of the Hong Kong's most versatile area, offering both international luxury hotels and budget-friendly stays. Whether you want to shop there, city create, explore new spiritual attractions, or stay close to the airport, these 10 hotels provide the best mix of convenience, comfort, and hospitality.